Hi everybody, it's Matthew coming to you with 22 years in the travel industry, and I want to talk to you about what can I take when packing to fly. You know, as of 2010, airline security questions you of what you are allowed and not because it's constantly changing. So it's very hard to figure out what you are allowed and not. So I'm going to try to go over a couple of tips to make this easy for you. First off, you want to make sure when you're traveling, some stuff can go in your checked suitcases, some things can go in your carry-on suitcases. For example, toiletries. Everybody who travels with toiletries and want to put it in their carry-on luggage, you want to make sure that they're no more in excess of 3.4 ounces. And my suggestion is put it in a plastic bag that zips up. That way, in case it spills in your carry-on luggage, it won't get all over everything else. However, if you wanted to carry larger products that will not go in your carry-on suitcase, you can put it in your checked luggage. That is allowed to go into your checked luggage. Now, those of you who are have baby formula, carrying breast milk, or prescription medication, you are allowed, you're kind of exempt from the 3.4 ounce rule. As long as it's prescription medications or the other items I just mentioned, you can bring those in your carry-on luggage as well. But however, sorry, razor blades, men, ladies, you cannot bring this in your carry-on luggage at all. It must go in your checked suitcase. Also, don't forget, anything that's flammable is not allowed, and any type of firearms is not allowed at all. However, you can bring a firearm that is not loaded as long as it goes in your checked suitcase. Also, for those of you who are thinking that you want to do some printing on your trip, toner, no more. Toner is not allowed. Carry-on luggage, regular suitcase, you're going to have to leave that toner at home. Sorry about that. And last but not least, your cameras. My suggestion, no matter what type of camera you have, do not put it in your checked suitcase because the screening process it goes to, the x-ray is very, very high. Put it in your checked luggage. As long as you have film in here that is 800 speed or less in a checked suitcase, it's not going to matter. My suggestion to you, though, go on to tsa.gov and find out the latest updates because the TSA is always changing the regulations and you want to be up to date on it. I'll see you later, everybody. Have a good trip. Bye.